Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with 12th Standard English, Unit 5, Prose, Lesson 5, The Chair, written by K. Rajanarayanan. Book back exercises part 2. Let's turn to page 155 and continue the exercises. Task 4. Combine each of the following pairs of sentences using participles. The first one is done for you. Example, I didn't know what to do. I phoned the police. Not knowing what to do, I phoned the police. So in between you get one comma. Okay. First one, the baby cried. She was feeling sleepy. So what is the answer? Feeling sleepy, the baby cried. Second one, he lived alone. He had forgotten everybody. So answer is having forgotten everybody, he lived alone. Third one, she walked out. She was smiling. So it's very easy. She walked out smiling. Fourth one, the child says he needs attention. He shouts loudly. So what is the answer? Shouting loudly, the child says she needs attention. Fifth one, I threw the pen. It was broken. So answer, throwing the pen caused it to break. I threw the broken pen. So two ways you can write. Sixth one, his coat is tattered. It needs mending. His tattered coat needs mending. Seventh one, I heard the noise. I turned around. So answer is hearing the noise. I turned around. Eighth one, he was dissatisfied. He quit his job. Being dissatisfied, he quit his job. Ninth one, the politician entered the campus. He was accompanied by many comrades. Answer, accompanied by many comrades, the politician entered the campus. 10th one, the girl entered the room. She was singing a song. So answer is singing a song. The girl entered the room. Dear students, turn to page 156. You can see articles and determiners next. Articles already you know, a and the. So determiners also you know, you have learnt everything in 11th standard. Now task 1, complete the following exercise. According to the National Weather Report, cyclones are winds circulating counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Cyclones are usually accompanied by stormy weather. Tornadoes and hurricanes are types of cyclones. The hurricane is a cyclone that forms over the tropical oceans and seas. The hurricane rotates in the shape of an oval or a circle. The Hurricane Andrew, which hit the coasts of Louisiana and southern Florida in August 1992, caused extreme devastation. It was one of the most devastating hurricanes ever to hit the United States. 14 people died of the Andrews effect. Moving on to task 2. Complete the following sentences using appropriate determiners. First one, only a few people can afford to buy a flat in Chennai. Then second one, she earned so little that she could not make a decent living. Third one, some information that she gave proved false. Fourth one, how much sugar do you want? Fifth one, I'm very tired today as I had many guests today. Sixth one, some of my students have become doctors. Seventh one, little do I know about his personal life. Little means you know negative. Don't know anything about him. Eighth one, how many pages did you read? Then ninth one, some fertilizer used these days spoils the soil. 10th one, during my student's life, I used to give little trouble to my teachers. Now moving on to next grammatical part is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison you have already learned. Now we shall move on to the task 1. Transform each of the following sentences using the comparative degree without changing the meaning. You should turn to page 159. Okay, first one, very few Indian languages are as ancient as Tamil. So Tamil is more ancient than many other Indian languages. Second one, hurricanes are as dangerous as tornadoes. Tornadoes are not more dangerous than hurricanes. Third one, this is the most challenging task I have ever undertaken. This is more challenging than any other task I have undertaken. Fourth one, email is the fastest means of communication. So answer is email is faster than any other means of communication. Fifth one, compulsive gambling is the worst habit a man can develop. Answer is compulsive gambling is worse than any other habit a man can develop. Task 2. Rewrite each of the following sentences using the superlative degree, retaining the meaning. Meaning should not change. Okay. First one. Shakespeare is greater than many other dramatists of the world. So answer is Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatists of the world. Second one. Some people think that nothing is as important as money in life. So answer is some people think that money is the most important thing in life. Thirdly, you see the peacock is more colorful than any other bird found in India. In the superlative degree, you have to use like this. The peacock is the most colorful bird found in India. It has several colors and it is very, very beautiful, being the national bird. Fourth one, very few people in this town are as generous as Mr. Mohan. Mr. Mohan is one of the most generous people in this town. Then, fifth one, no other planet in our solar system is as cold as Neptune. So what will be the answer? Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system. Sixth one, I cannot do anything better for you than this. So this is the best thing I can do for you. Task 3, replace the comparative adjectives in the following sentences with their positive forms. First one, rural life is certainly more peaceful than urban life. So urban life is certainly not so peaceful as rural life. Okay. Second one, the pen is mightier than the sword. So how will you change it? The sword is not so mighty as the pen. Third one, train journey is more comfortable than bus journey. So answer is bus journey is not so comfortable as train journey. Then fourth one, my mother can speak more sweetly than anyone else. So no other person can speak so sweetly as my mother. And fifth one, you see, gold is not more useful than iron. Answer is iron is as useful as gold. Dear students, with this I wind up the exercises and we shall meet in the next class. Thank you.